And topic is the topic is agriculture models. Okay, so these are the commonly used agriculture models. Okay, one is APSIM, another is Varese 2000, and DSS18, and WT Groves, and InfoCrop, InfoSoil, and DNDC. Okay, see these models are a set of programs. Okay, so they are these models are set of programs. So with the help of these programs, we will find certain things. That is, we can forecast the yield, or we can find solution for a problem. Okay, so these agriculture models are set of programs. Okay, that is computer programs. Okay, so with the help of these models, we will find we will find certain things. First one is APSIM model. Okay, so this is agricultural production system simulator, APSIM. Okay, it is a modeling platform for simulation of biophysical process in cropping system, particularly those relating to the production and ecological outcomes of the management practices. Okay, so these are a simulation model. Okay, that is, this is a computer program simulation technique for biophysical process in cropping system. Okay, so APSI means agricultural production system simulator. And next is Varese 2000 model. Okay, so this is also simulation model. It is ecophysiological crop model to simulate growth and development of rice in situations of potential productions. Okay, and water limitation, nitrogen limitation. Okay, so Varese, the name came from because the scientific name of rice is Varese sativa. Okay, so the name Varese 2000. Okay, so this is a somewhat advanced computer model. Okay, used for the ecophysiological crop model. Okay, to simulate the growth and development of rice. Okay, so this is a simulation model. Okay, so commonly we will use only simulation model. Okay, in agriculture we will commonly use only two models. Okay, one is statistical model, another is simulation model. Okay, so this is a simulation model. So we can grow the rice crop in computer. Okay, with the help of this model. And next was DSSAT. The meaning is decision support system for agro technology transfer. Okay, so it is a set of computer program for simulating agriculture crop growth. Okay, it includes 16 different crops. Okay, so it is a DSS. Okay, that is decision support system. That is, it supports the decisions. Okay, so it is a set of computer programs for simulating agriculture crop growth. Okay, so in this model there are 16 crops is there. So we can grow the 16 crops in the computer. Okay, DSSAT. Fifth one is InfoCrop. Okay, InfoCrop means it is a web-based crop simulation model. Okay, so this InfoCrop is a computer program, and this is based on simulation model. Okay, that is, we can grow a crop in the computer. So with the help of this InfoCrop, we can find the best sowing date, best variety, and yield and we can also forecast the yield. Okay, so this InfoCrop was developed by the IARI. Okay, this is one of the famous crop simulation model. Here we will see some glossary. Okay, what is data? Data means it is an unorganized collection of facts. Okay, so the data can be numerical or non-numerical. For example, attendance sheet. Okay, so attendance sheet is a data. And it's information. Information means the processed data. Okay, so for example, the attendance report. Okay, that is, output is the information. Okay, output is the information. For example, attendance report. Okay, knowledge. Okay, so this is a new term. Okay, knowledge means it is a processed information. That is, for example, with the help of the attendance report, one can find which students are above 80% attendance, okay, and who are not eligible for attendance, and who are not eligible for attending exam, okay. So we are processing information, okay, that is knowledge, okay. See, this knowledge we are using in the so these knowledge we are using in the crop simulation model, okay. So the crop simulation model are based on the knowledge, okay. So these knowledge are we are using the crop simulation model, okay. So data means data means unorganized collection of facts, and information means the processed data, and the knowledge means the processed information, okay. Thank you.